For years, they called it a pipe dream, but Elon Musk just revealed the impossible. A full-sized, futuristic Tesla home on wheels, for the shocking price of just $49,000. The biggest shockwave this project sends isn't the electric motor, it's the price. We're talking about a vehicle built on the chassis of a $200,000 semi-truck, yet it's rumored to launch for an insane $49,000 to $59,000. That's a massive price slash, and it exposes the entire cost-cutting conspiracy behind it. The original semi is a heavy-duty monster, carrying a gigantic, expensive 900 kilowatt-hour battery pack to achieve a 500-mile range while hauling 80,000 pounds. The motorhome version doesn't need that. Tesla aggressively shed the cost and weight by downgrading the battery pack to a smaller, cheaper 300 kilowatt-hour unit. Yes, the range drops to about 250 miles, but that's a brilliant trade-off. A motorhome isn't hauling daily cargo. It's moving from one long-term stop to the next. This strategic reduction in the most expensive component, the battery, is how Tesla completely crushes the competition on cost. They leveraged an existing platform and just deleted the things a home on wheels doesn't need. But a low price means nothing if this thing runs out of juice 5 miles down the road. And what happened next would shock everyone. This motor home inherits the bloodline of a race truck. The Tesla Semi's tri-motor setup puts out an estimated 1,000 to 1,500 horsepower. That instant, bone-jarring electric torque makes traditional diesel-guzzling RVs feel like steamrollers. The motorhome retains this incredible power platform, but it radically alters the fuel source. By switching the battery configuration from the older semi-truck design to the newer, high-energy density, 4,680 cells being perfected at Giga Nevada, Tesla gains efficiency. By switching the battery configuration from the older semi-truck design to the newer, high-energy density, 4,680 cells being perfected at Giga Nevada, Tesla gains efficiency. This cell architecture allows them to squeeze more stable power out of that downsized 300 kilowatt-hour pack. This isn't just about saving money. It's about a superior energy design. It's a completely stable platform, running entirely on electricity, and featuring advanced thermal management, so it can handle any weather. This electric power plant is the foundation, but the real mystery is how they turned a rugged truck cabin into a high-tech miniature apartment. And the power system they installed inside would shock even the most tech-savvy viewer. The real shocking truth isn't the electric motor, it's the fact that Tesla has built a genuine, off-grid apartment into the cabin. They started by ditching the old, heavy RV materials. No more long-winded, complex wood and steel. Instead, they're using ultralight composite materials developed for the Cybertruck, making the interior strong, flexible, and most importantly, energy-saving. Inside, you get a clean, minimalist design, a fold-out bed that serves as a sofa by day, a mini kitchen with an electric stove and fridge, and storage compartments that seem to appear out of thin air. But the cornerstone of this mobile home is its power architecture. Traditional RVs struggle to run simple appliances, but the semi-motor home is expected to run on the advanced 48-volt system, pioneered in the Cybertruck. This move isn't just tech speak. It significantly reduces the size and weight of the wiring harness, boosting efficiency. More critically, this platform allows for the integration of a powerful 20-kilowatt inverter. That is enough juice to run the air conditioning, the electric stove, the lights, and all your devices simultaneously, effortlessly. This means you are essentially powering a small house with the vehicle's massive battery system. They even included the HEPA filtration system, a feature previously exclusive to the Model X, allowing the cabin air to filter out fine dust, allergens, and even smoke. The end result is a high-tech sanctuary that can sustain itself anywhere. But the greatest feature isn't the kitchen, it's the silent, self-sufficient freedom it offers. For decades, the standard RV camping experience has been ruined by noise. You pull up to a secluded spot, only to fire up a diesel generator that rattles, vibrates, and stinks up the forest, just to run the AIC or make coffee. Tesla absolutely obliterated this problem with silent camp mode. When you park and activate this system, the entire, massive drivetrain shuts down completely. All that remains running is the household electrical system and the HVAC, and it runs almost silently, powered directly by the enormous battery pack. Users can sleep peacefully deep in the woods or by a lakeside, without the constant auditory pollution or exhaust emissions. This is a game-changer for off-grid living. Adding to this self-sufficiency, Tesla is rumored to be testing a smart water recycling system. Using RO membranes and UV light, wastewater is filtered and returned for reuse in the sink and kitchen. This means the semi-motorhome can sustain itself for extended periods without desperate stops to refill or drain tanks. It's quiet, clean, and completely independent. Charging is the last hurdle, but Tesla threw in a brilliant, unstoppable combination. The obvious challenge for any electric motorhome is the charging network, which remains sparse, especially in those remote areas where RV owners actually want to go. Tesla's counterattack here is an unstoppable, two-part combination that enables true nomadic freedom. First, they are offering the solar roof solution. The large, flat surface area of the semi-motorhome is perfect for solar panels, effectively turning the entire roof into a self-sufficient power station. The large, flat surface area of the semi-motorhome is perfect for solar panels, effectively turning the entire roof into a self-sufficient power station. During long stays, the roof silently trickle charges the battery, extending your independence indefinitely without needing to hunt for an external plug or fuel. Second, and even more revolutionary, is the direct integration of Starlink satellite internet. Some might assume going off-grid means being isolated and unable to communicate. Not with this rig. Starlink provides high-speed, global satellite internet even in the deepest forest or most remote beach. This means you can work remotely, stream content, and receive over-the-air updates without being limited by weak Wi-Fi or dead zones. With silent, free power from the sun and high-speed internet everywhere, Tesla has essentially solved the two biggest logistical nightmares of the modern traveling lifestyle. But the luxury features they included are what truly makes the price unbelievable. Tesla isn't just making an electric motorhome. They are bringing six-figure luxury features down to a price almost anyone can afford. Traditional high-end RVs rely on heavy, complicated hydraulic systems for stabilization. Tesla solved this by leveraging its advanced air suspension and turning it into an automatic leveling system. You park, push a button, and the floor becomes perfectly flat, regardless of the slope of the terrain. No more sleeping on a noticeable incline. This feature alone was previously a luxury gatekeeper. Inside, your command center is a massive 20-inch vertical touchscreen. This single, sleek interface controls everything, from checking your gray water tank and battery levels to adjusting the temperature and switching into solar charging mode. It replaces a dozen separate switches, gauges, and complicated panels found in old RVs, centralizing control into Tesla's famously smooth operating system. And for the long haul, the vehicle is equipped with the refined, full self-driving and autopilot packages, optimized for a large vehicle. This means effortless long-haul highway driving and, critically, smart maneuvering when trying to park or reverse this behemoth into a tight campsite. It's an unprecedented level of luxury tech in a vehicle priced this low. The RV world is entirely exposed as archaic and overpriced. And wait until you hear the final, mind-blowing prediction for the future. The Tesla semi-motorhome is far more than just a new vehicle. It is a statement about independence, freedom, and a completely sustainable lifestyle. By integrating Tesla Energy, Tesla Automotive, and Starlink, the company has officially solved the three biggest headaches of the modern nomadic traveler: the constant search for fuel, the reliance on external power, and the crippling limits of poor internet connectivity. It's an affordable, clean, quiet, and hyper-efficient home that travels with you. The entire traditional RV industry, with its high prices, complex systems, noise, and pollution, is exposed as hopelessly archaic. But the final, mind-blowing part of this vision involves a different kind of integration. Speculation suggests that in the coming years, Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot could become an optional companion. Imagine a robot that assists with setting up camp, carrying heavy cargo, or performing cleaning tasks. This opens up a futuristic new era where older families or less physically capable people can enjoy the freedom of RV life without needing to handle the heavy work. The semi-motorhome, with its shocking price and self-sufficient technology, isn't just selling a product. It's selling the next great frontier of travel. Would you consider trading in your current setup for a self-sufficient electric home if it cost less than $50,000? This isn't just an RV, it's a declaration of independence. For years, the nomadic lifestyle was restricted by fuel costs, noisy generators, and unreliable power sources, making true off-grid living a luxury few could afford. Tesla didn't just build an electric truck, they built a mass-market machine for self-sufficiency. The semi-motor home, with its solar roof, silent power, and near $50,000 price tag, is the absolute death blow to every traditional, gas-guzzling camper on the road. It represents the final, successful merging of affordable housing, energy independence, and travel freedom. The question isn't whether it will disrupt the market. It's whether you're ready to finally own your home, power it with the sun, and take it anywhere you DM in well please. Are you prepared to trade in the noise, the gas, and the generators for silent, affordable electric freedom? Let me know which feature, the $49,000 price tag or the total elimination of the generator, is the biggest game changer for you. Hit that like button if Tesla's vision of the future is where you want to live.